Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody is doing well. Alhamdulillah, I am doing fine. This video is going to be another cook with me tutorial. I'm going to show you guys how to make some chicken and shrimp tacos, which I've been loving. For those of you who don't know, I am on the Slim Fast plan. So how the Slim Fast plan works is that you get 2 shakes a day. So I usually drink my shakes for breakfast and for lunch. We're gonna need the shrimp, which are right here. We are going to need our tacos. We're gonna need some cheese. I'll show you guys all the ingredients when I'm done finding them in my fridge. Bear with me, please. Okay, so this is basically all the ingredients, what you need. You need some tortillas. I'm using these. These are fajita whole wheat tortillas. You're gonna need some cheese, which I'm using string cheese. You can use any kind of cheese you like. You're gonna need a chicken breast, which I'm gonna be splitting in half because yeah, it's a really big portion. You're gonna need some shrimp, which are in here. You're gonna need the, what is this called? The cocktail sauce that comes with the shrimp. You're gonna need some sour cream. And for a snack with it, I'm gonna have this Chobani Flip Carrot Cake Creation. Okay, so now let's get started cooking. You're gonna need 2 pans. One big pan and one medium-sized pan in order to cook the shrimp. The chicken is already pre-cooked, but like I said, I'm only going to use half of it. So you need to cook the shrimp, and you also need to cook your tortilla. Okay guys, so what you're going to do is you're going to take your tortilla, and you can do 1, you can do 2, I'm going to do 2. and you take it and you put it into the pan. Next thing, what you're gonna do is you're gonna open up your shrimp. Time for this. Bah. Open up your shrimp. Okay. Now my shrimp have tails on them. I'm going to take them off. These are just basic shrimp that you get from the store. I got these from Acme yesterday, so I love shrimp. I love seafood, so I was really happy when I saw my mom pick these up for me yesterday. I was so happy. Okay, so these are pre-cooked. This is what our shrimp is looking like. And this is what our bread is looking like. This bread, because it's so small, it cooks super fast. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some of our chicken breast. That my mom graciously made me yesterday. And we're going to, first of all, I'm going to put in my second wrap. Okay, so now this is chicken breast that my mom cooked for me yesterday. You want to make sure you have enough of chicken to shrimp ratio. Okay. Okay. Now we're going to take our tartar sauce. And I'm just going to pour it on top. Our bread is done. We're just waiting on our chicken and our shrimp and our tartar sauce. Cocktail sauce, sorry guys, I keep calling it tartar sauce. Okay. Season. Salt. Pepper. Once that dries up, you know that it's done. part of the day. You're gonna grab your wraps. You're gonna add some sour cream to the bottom of the wraps. Or if you like, you can add them to the top of the wraps. But I like to add them to the bottom because, you know, it creates moisture for the wrap. So you're gonna add your sour cream. And spread it all over the wrap. Spread it. You should really use a knife, but I'm lazy, so I'm just using my finger to spread it. Take your protein, your chicken and your shrimp, place it right on top. You want to make sure that you divide it enough. Yes, it tastes good. All right, guys, now I'm gonna open up the cheese. Again, I'm using string cheese, but you can, if you have shredded cheese, that would be delicious. If you don't have cheese, I'm pretty sure it will taste delicious. Without the cheese, anyway. I love cheese. I'm a cheese fiend, so I'm gonna add the cheese right on top. All right, guys, so this is the finished product. Thank you guys so much for watching my Cook With Me chicken and shrimp tacos. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace. Bye, everybody.